Are there extraterrestrials there on the other side with you? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Cody here, and today I have a very interesting session for you guys, mainly because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get crystal clear spirit communication just like you see in this session. Crystal clear spirit communication, like in this video, is not hard to get, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. It's actually way more easier to get crystal clear spirit communication than going out and buying thousands of dollars worth of guitar pedals just to distort your content further. And it almost makes you wonder, do these people distorting their content to the point of it being inaudible have something that they're hiding? But that aside, we're going to get straight into the session, and then at the end I'm going to tell you guys how you can obtain the same type of clarity that you see in this video in your sessions. We're looking to get in contact with any spirit who wants to come through and speak. You can use this device to leave messages for all your fans watching. You're doing it, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Well, you don't have to come through if you don't want to. I'm not forcing anybody to be here tonight. This is only if you want to come through and speak. Alright, well, thank you so much for being here with us tonight, Johnny.
What's that?
This device, are you talking about the portal that we're using to speak? This is how you are communicating with us right now, is through this portal. There are devices? Do you have portals like we do here on the other side, or other devices which you use to communicate with us? That was very interesting. I couldn't hear what you said completely. You got cut off, but I think you said spaceship. Are there extraterrestrials there on the other side with you? Are you saying that there are aliens there with you on the other side? Is that what I'm getting from this? No, I don't. Can you tell us what it means? That would be very helpful. I can't hear everything you're saying, but do these extraterrestrials help you on the other side? Can they give you light? I think I heard something very faintly about light. Peace. I think that's definitely what I heard there. Well, that's very good to hear. I'm glad that they're not trying to hurt you on the other side. I'm not sure if there's particular species there that try to hurt you more than others do, if there are some there to help you, but I'm very glad that there's peace for you on the other side. Help. How do you want me to help you? Is there something that I can do for you here to help you on the other side? Alright, well, my name is Cody, and you're currently speaking to me through this device. The world can hear everything that you're saying right now.
Okay, your communications. Right, you're alright?
Can you use this device alright, or do you want me to change the settings for you? Do you have any messages for your family or your friends?
There is. We go on. The other side. Emotional experience.
It's gotten a little quiet. Are you guys still here with us tonight? Am I still connected? I wasn't sure if that was radio for a second. Are you listening to music on the other side?
Strike you funny.
Wow, this is really amazing, guys. I'm really enjoying this app. The only thing I don't really like about it, and it's not even really a con, it's just that the spirits don't seem to come through and leave super long replies as opposed to our other methods, but the replies are nonetheless clear as day. Does time exist on the other side where you guys are?
What was 2009? Looks just like I think I kissed you. I was here 20 years ago.
Is it possible for you guys to teach us how we can get in contact with these extraterrestrials on the other side with you?
We almost died trying to get them.
Do they not want us to contact them?
They could carry on their life. I'm not sure you want to belong to the years. He'll contact you.
He'll contact you, I think I heard. He got cut out at the end, so I'm unsure if that was what I heard. Do they contact us, or do we contact them?
You know that they came from us.
Well, thank you so much for being here with us tonight. Do you guys want me to envision the light for you before we end the session? I know that a lot of spirits are always looking for the light on the other side.
Sure. I suppose you're
Alright, I'm envisioning the light for all of you. Thank you so much for coming through and demonstrating to us how this app works tonight. Alright, thank you so much for sticking with me this far in the video. Now I'm going to tell you guys the secret you've been waiting for. How do I get crystal clear spirit communication? The answer is very simple. The number one key is to not add so much distortion. Don't add so much reverb. Turn the reverb down. Turn the mix on the reverb pedal, the distortion pedals down. This is going to make it so that yes, the distortion is still there for the spirits to use if they want to, but it's not so loud that it's just distorting the spirit replies to the point where they're inaudible. As you could see in the session that I just showed you, my mix was turned down on the reverb so much to the point where you could hear the actual reply come through, and there was also a little bit of reverb. The key part is a little bit. There was a little bit of reverb there for the spirits to use if they wanted to. The sole purpose of the reverb was not to distort the spirit reply, but to help the spirits. So just keep your sessions simple, keep them clean. You don't need 10 pedals running at the same time with the mix turned up on all of them. Just keep it to a very low minimum so that the spirits can use it if they want to. Other than that, it's just going to make it very easier for you to hear the actual spirit replies. It's not really going to get in the way of the spirits, because on spirit boxes, like physical spirit boxes, like the PSB7, those don't have reverb. Those don't have any effects to help the spirits come through, and the spirits still do come through. So that just proves you do not need these effects. Yes, they do help the spirits, and that's why I use them, but at the end of the day, it's not necessary. If you wanted to, you could sit there for a very long time and wait for a spirit to be able to work up the energy to come through and leave a message on no effects. It's all dependent on what you want to do, but this is how you get crystal clear communication. Just don't distort the quality to the point of it being inaudible. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time.